Welcome to Skill Boosters, your ultimate PTE preparation destination. Let's see how we transform your skills for Part 1, speaking and writing, Part 2, reading, and Part 3, listening.
At Skill Boosters, we hone your speaking and writing abilities to perfection. Our trainers provide personalized feedback and guide you to craft impressive responses. Boost your confidence for Part 1. Reading. Our extensive collection of practice materials and strategies help you develop critical reading skills. Uncover hidden meanings, analyze texts, and achieve your highest score.
Are you ready to excel in Part 3, listening? We offer comprehensive exercises to sharpen your listening skills. Tune in and tackle those challenging questions with ease.
At Skill Boosters, join us today and unlock your path to PTE success. Visit us or call us now to book your spot. Skill Boosters, where dreams become achievements.